Experimental design and hypothesis testing. Experimental design and hypothesis testing are fundamental concepts in scientific research, including ecology. They allow researchers to get hypotheses, make predictions, and draw conclusions about the natural world. Some key aspects of experimental design and hypothesis testing include experimental design. Number one, define the research question or problem. What are you trying to investigate? What is the specific question you want to answer? Number two, develop a hypothesis. This is a testable prediction about relationship between variables. Number three, identify variables. Independent variables are factors that you manipulate in your study, while dependent variables are response to the independent variables. Number 4. Design and experiment. This involves selecting a study system, sampling design and statistical analysis plan. Number 5. Collect data. This involves measuring the independent and dependent variable. Number 6. Analyze data. Use statistical tests to determine whether the data support or refute your hypothesis. Number 7. Draw conclusion. Based on your result, what conclusions can you draw? What are the implications of your findings? Hypothesis testing. Number 1. Formulate a null hypothesis. This is the default assumption that there is no relationship between the independent and dependent variable. Number 2. Formulate an alternative hypothesis. This is the hypothesis that you want to support with your data. Number 3. Choose a level of significance. This is probability of rejecting the null hypothesis when it is actually true. Number 4. Collect data. This involves measuring the independent and dependent variables. Number 5. Analyze data. Use statistical tests to determine whether the data support or refute the null hypothesis. Number 6. Draw conclusions. Based on your result, what conclusions can you draw? Does the hypothesis support or refute the null hypothesis? In order to ensure the reliability of experimental results, it is important to use appropriate statistical method to analyze data, ensure adequate sample size, and minimize resource of bias. Additionally, it is important to design experiments that can be replicated by others in order to verify the results.